let's have a look of a second way of creating collision geometry. And here I'm going to use height fields. So I'm going to drop down a height field, and I'm going to resize it so it roughly matches the ground. Something like this. And this is just a flat plane. If I then do a height field project, and then plug the height field in here, and then the terrain in here, you can see we get some of the details, not all of it. It's like it has a cutoff point here. And the reason for that is that the height field is placed here in the middle, and in the height field project it just chooses maximum, so it just looks for the highest value that is over its own position. You can also do minimum, and then you see you have the other half. So the way to deal with this is just to move it down a little bit. So here in initial height, just put this to -20 for example, and now you can see we get all the detail. Cool. And let's drop down a null and have out height field. Like so. And then to use this in the actual simulation, you can't use the static object anymore, so I'm gonna remove that one. Actually, I'm just gonna set this manual for a while. I'm gonna drop down a terrain object, and here I'm gonna point to our height field here, and then I'm gonna connect that in here. And what I mustn't forget is to check this checkbox, use height field, like so. Turn this back on. Here's our height field, and let's try this out. It's actually slightly faster than the other methods. When it comes to ground collisions, this is my go-to method. Cool.